An older man and joke. Some people complain about life. This story gives us the chance to ask ourselves if we're wasting time complaining. People were continually visiting an older man, complaining about the same old problems in life. Over and over again, the older man would hear the same complaints. One day, instead of offering advice, the older man decided to tell them a joke. People roared with laughter. A few minutes later, he told them the exact same joke, and a few of them smiled. He then said the joke a third time, and nobody laughed or smiled. Inspirational short stories. The wise older man then asked them, "If you can't laugh at the same joke over and over, why are you always crying over the same problem?" The takeaway of the story: don't complain, find solutions, and learn how to gain control over any situation. Instead of complaining and dwelling on various issues, make strides to try and change the situation. Please, like and share for everyday motivation.